Alright, so we've discussed some other things, and let's go ahead and look at the comments and see. What are comments and why do we need comments in computer programming? So comments helps us to be able to debug our code in Visual. So in case you're working with multiple developers and you have to put comments so that whoever is going to maintain the code in Visual can be able to know what the code is all about or what this line of code is doing. It will also help you in the next years to come or some months to come. If you come back to the code you developed today without a comment, it's going to look like a monster to you because you don't know what the lines of code are doing. At the moment a developer is building a project, he or she knows what he's doing. But when that project is left for over a long time, coming back to that project without a comment is really like looking so scary and you can't be able to know where to start. But with comments, you can be able to know what to do. Alright? So in C programming or in C++, we have single line comments and we have multiple line comments. So for us to have multiple line comments or single line comments, we go ahead and start with single line. Single line means that it goes just in one straight line, but multiple line means it can take many lines at the same time. Let's say for instance, this, I said count equal to this comments in C programming. I'll go over here and put double forward slash. So once you enter double forward slash, you can write whatever you want to write. So that in future, whoever that wants to maintain the code, we know what the line of code is doing. I can say this line of code. So this line of code is for single line comment. So this line of code is for single line comment, and guess what? Whenever you run this code, the comments will not be printed out, but it's going to execute this. But this line of code is for single line comments, can never be printed out. Alright, let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So this is just for single line comment alone. Then we'll go ahead and look at multiple line comments. So you consider comments in C++ programming. You can't see any other thing there. Comments are not code. Alright? And they can never be printed out. And you can write comments in between lines. Alright? So let's say I go ahead and write out something, maybe anything of my own choice, and I want to write, it says, hello world. Hello world. Programming. So hello world programming and line and put a semicolon at the end. So you can write the comment, can cut this out from here and paste that right in there. And if I run this code, it will not print it out. You only see comments in C++ programming and hello world programming. You see that? This is the only two things you can see. And you can see the line of comment. So if you want a multiple line comment, you can start a multiple line comment with /x. So /x ends with x*/. So whatever is right in here can never be printed out. Alright? So whatever you write in there can never be printed out. Let's go ahead and copy this line of this comment here and paste it here. Check it out. I can paste it many times. Can you see that? I passed it many times. Then I can go ahead and run this code and just check it out. They will never be printed out. And you can see that the comments are not there, but the multiple line comments and the single line comments are not shown. So you can write as many in order to explain so that whoever that will maintain this code can know what he or she is doing. So there is need for you to use multiple line if you want to write as many things as possible. There is need for you to write single line if you just want to explain a single line of code. This is what it stands for. This is what it's doing. Please enter this. Please do that. Or don't touch this code. Don't do this. This is standard. This is static. So you can be able to do this, okay? So comments helps us a lot as developers to manage our code in Visual and maintain that. Alright, so it's all about comments in C programming. If you have any challenge or any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.